Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Do you love playing Brawl Stars and want the freedom to jump between your phone and tablet without missing a beat? It's a common desire for many players, offering incredible flexibility for your gaming sessions. Good news, linking your account across multiple devices is straightforward and completely possible in 2025. We'll walk through the simple steps together. The secret to playing Brawl Stars on multiple devices is Supercell ID. This free service securely saves your game progress to the cloud, so you never have to worry about losing your account. Think of it as your personal passport for all Supercell games, making it super easy to access your progress from anywhere. It's really the core of this entire process. First, let's link your primary device to Supercell ID. Open Brawl Stars on the phone or tablet where your account is currently active. Next, navigate to the game settings, usually a gear icon, and select the Supercell ID option. You'll then choose Connect. If you're new to Supercell ID, you'll create one using your email, and a quick verification code will arrive to finalize the process. Now, on your second device, open Brawl Stars. If it's a new installation, you might see a fresh game account. Don't worry, just head into the settings and select Supercell ID. This time, choose Login. Enter the email linked to your existing Supercell ID. A new verification code will arrive, which you'll input to complete the process. Your main account will then load, ready for action on this device. A few final tips for a smooth experience. Always make sure you have a stable internet connection when you're logging in or out, and especially when switching devices. Supercell ID securely manages one Brawl Stars account, ensuring all your progress is saved to the cloud. This means you can easily jump between your phone and tablet whenever you like. Enjoy playing Brawl Stars with ultimate flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.